Recite these 50 affirmations based on the law of assumption regularly and experience dramatic changes in your life. I assume that I am already successful and prosperous. I feel the excitement of having achieved my goals. I assume that I am living the life of my dreams right now. I am grateful for the abundance that is already present in my life. I assume that I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. I feel the joy of being in a loving and supportive relationship. I assume that I am confident and charismatic. I feel the pride of having accomplished my objectives. I assume that I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. I feel the gratitude of having received my heart's desires. I assume that I am living in my dream home. I feel the happiness of being surrounded by loving friends and family. I assume that I am attracting my ideal partner effortlessly. I feel the satisfaction of having completed my projects successfully. I feel the excitement of traveling to my dream destinations. I feel the accomplishment of having mastered new skills. I assume that I am a sought-after expert in my field. I feel the contentment of living a balanced and harmonious life. I feel the thrill of driving my dream car. I assume that I am attracting like-minded people. I assume that I am financially independent and debt-free. I assume that I am a successful investor, growing my wealth effortlessly. I feel the gratitude of having manifested my desires effortlessly. I feel the excitement of having achieved my fitness and health goals. I feel the satisfaction of having completed my educational goals. I feel the contentment of having a stable and secure career. I feel the excitement of having manifested my dream life. I feel the joy of having a close-knit and supportive family. I feel the accomplishment of having overcome my fears and limitations. I feel the happiness of having a comfortable and secure retirement. I feel the gratitude of having attracted supportive and loyal friends. I feel the excitement of having manifested my dream job. I feel the satisfaction of having completed my creative projects. I feel the joy of having a life filled with adventure and excitement. I feel the contentment of having a life filled with love and connection. I feel the thrill of having manifested my dream wardrobe. I feel the happiness of having a life filled with purpose and meaning. I feel the excitement of having manifested my dream vacation. I feel the satisfaction of having achieved my career goals. I feel the joy of having a life filled with creativity and self-expression. I feel the contentment of having a life filled with peace and tranquility. I feel the happiness of having a life filled with laughter and joy. I assume that I am a successful leader, guiding and inspiring others to achieve their goals. I feel the gratitude of having manifested a life filled with abundance, prosperity, and love. I assume that I am always in the right place at the right time, attracting synchronistic experiences. I assume that every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth and expansion, ultimately leading me to my goals. I feel the certainty of my desires manifesting, as if they are already a part of my reality. I feel the ease and flow of life, knowing that everything is working out perfectly for me. I assume that the universe is conspiring in my favor, bringing me opportunities and blessings effortlessly.